So now that we have our database set up, we want to go ahead and check that the web application is indeed updating the values in the database. Okay, so how do we do that? Well, we can look here and we can see if we look under content in our MySQL, or I'm sorry, our SQL Pro program, we could see here under Daniel Lee 1, that's the user that I'm using currently, all of the columns are set to 0, right? So what I can do is I can come over here to cookie save, and I can change the value of one of these guys to a number, right? So maybe I could set cookies to not cookies, but I can set it to the number 9. Okay, and I'll save that, and then I'll come over here to my cookie clicker application and I'll hit save. And if I go to my SQL Pro database, I can go to structure, and then I can go to content, and then I can hit this refresh button down here, which will refresh the state of the database. So I'll refresh it, and you notice here Daniel Lee 1 cookies is 9. So the update function the update query is working correctly. Okay, so that's how you can test that yours is actually working correctly. And one thing that I noticed that I didn't go over explicitly is you could see here that the typical format of this set portion of the query is the name of the column equals, or let's say right here, the name of the column equals a PHP variable in single quotes, right? So this third one here, cursor, follows a different format. You need to put single quotes around the word cursor because cursor is a key word in PHP. Okay, so if you don't have the single quotes around cursor, then your program's not going to work correctly. So be sure to make sure that that's the case on yours. But for none of the others, right? So grandma doesn't have single quotes, farm doesn't have single quotes, and so on. Yeah, so that's about it.